We're gonna do a little vlog today. I wanted to go to the gym today for the first time since I broke my toe. I probably could have gone before this, but it's been 2 months now, so I feel like I just need to go. But I didn't get up early enough and I have stuff that I need to get done today, and it takes time out of your day to drive somewhere and do a workout and all of that. So I think I'm just gonna take like a 30-minute walk. There's a trail by my house for like 30 minutes and just get some sunshine, some fresh air. It's very sunny outside today, which is super nice. Just kind of get my body moving. So first, I'm gonna finish my coffee and then I might go grab the mail because I just got a perfume in, which is super exciting. This is the first video that I'm filming since I started my perfume channel. So I just wanna say thank you so much to everyone who subscribed to that and gave me love over there. I really appreciate it. But yeah, I'm gonna maybe respond to some emails right now. Okay guys, I got my mail and I actually have 2 packages here. I did order another perfume from Mercari because I actually sell perfumes on Mercari, like whenever there's one that I'm just not obsessed with. And sometimes if I want to, I'll list other stuff on there as well. But sometimes I use the money that I get from selling the perfume to get a new one. So I'm thinking these might both be from there and the other one just came early. So let's see. These are like both very taped up. It's always so nice when they send like a little thank you card like this. I do the same thing with my orders just because it's a nice little thing. Very taped up, which is always nice. You want it to be packaged well. It's a lot of layers. I'm so excited. Oh, I can smell it like radiating from the bottle. This is the one that I was expecting today. I've talked about this on my channel several times. I actually just talked about it in the first perfume video that I posted over on my new channel. But this is Valentina Pink. Oh my gosh. I have this in a travel size and I saw this 2.7 ounce bottle that's like mostly full on Mercari. It sucks that you can't see inside of the bottle, but it definitely still feels mostly full. This is like a heavy duty bottle. I love this matte packaging. I actually think this is super pretty. I'm just gonna spray this in the air, see how the sprayer is. Oh, that's a nice sprayer. Obsessed with this perfume. I don't know why more people don't talk about it. Let's see, I'm thinking this is gonna be my other one, so very taped up. Okay, so this is another perfume that I have used a travel size of, and I really wanted to purchase a bottle. And this one is also mostly full too, like 60%. This is Nest Indigo, and wow, I just love this bottle. It's such a unique fragrance, so beautiful. This one's more fresh, a little bit spicy, a little bit sweet. This one is more of like a sweet rose strawberry girly scent. So they're very different, but I love them both for different reasons. And I'm so excited to have these. Okay guys, I'm gonna go on my little walk now. And it was really nice outside when I was just out there, so. I'm back from my little walk and I made myself a quick avocado toast on sourdough bread, and I put lime, salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, and everything but the bagel seasoning. And this is pretty much how I eat my avocado toast like every time. Sometimes I'll do hot sauce or I'll add on eggs or tomatoes or something like that. But most of the time, this is how I'm eating my avocado toast. I'm gonna take my enzymes because I need enzymes. I have like serious like stomach abdominal problems if I don't take them. So good. So my walk actually ended up being 35 to 40 minutes because I passed these people walking their 2 giant dogs, and those dogs really wanted to come after me. Like they had to hold them back with all their strength. So I figured I better keep walking a little bit so I'm not like right behind them when I turn around, because yeah, I didn't really feel like getting attacked. I mean, they were cute and all, but they were really big and they looked like they might want to eat me. So anyways, I'm gonna finish my avocado toast and then I'm gonna go wash my hair, and I'm gonna try out some new stylers with you guys that I just talked about in my last beauty haul video. So got out of my shower. I feel so much better. And I'm gonna try some of these new products. So the John Frieda Frizz Dream Curls Cream Oil. So this is a sulfate-free product. So I guess they're kind of trying to branch out and do things that are more curly girl friendly. And then I also want to try the Ava NYC Gotta Balance Curl Defining Cream. I am going to use these together. I kind of need the moisture today, honestly. I kind of tried to tone my hair a little bit with these Matrix shampoos. I have the Brass Off and the Dark Envy. I mixed them together since my hair is darker. We'll see how it turns out because obviously I can't really tell yet because my hair is still wet. But yeah, since I use those, I usually like to use something a little bit more moisturizing. So we're going to do that combo. And then I might also try this Ava NYC Just Glisten Hair and Body Shine Mist. I'm a little bit scared to use this on my hair because I don't want it to look like greasy or anything. Maybe I'll try it like on my arms. I don't know. We'll see. And then I'm thinking that I'll try this tomorrow. This is the Bounce Back Curl Reviving Mist. And maybe we'll do a little refresh and try that. But let's go in first with the John Frieda product. Pump a couple times. There it comes. Let's use about that much to start. Ooh. This has a nice texture. It feels very creamy, kind of like has an oily texture to it, just slightly. Ooh, yeah, I can tell my hair needs the extra moisture today. I maybe should have used a hair mask, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more of this. Honestly though, guys, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't think a cream like this would generally have sulfates in it anyway. So maybe that's just like a marketing thing. I'm not trying to get crazy clumps today. I'm just gonna do like a quick little routine. Let's grab the Curl Defining Cream from Ava NYC. Sometimes these are like hard to figure out how to use them for the first time, but ooh, I think I might like this, you guys. I was kind of worried this would be like a really thick, heavy cream, but it actually has a really nice lightweight texture and it smells really good. Just like a nice light fresh scent, but it has a nice creamy texture that doesn't feel too thick, which I'm excited about because I don't really like a really thick curl cream, but I wanted to give it a shot, so I'm glad that I did. I'm just gonna flip my hair over and do a little bit on this side. Not too much, but like I said, my hair can really use the moisture today. I really like the texture of this, guys, so I'm hoping I like the results. Okay guys, I'm gonna try those out alone today and just leave it at that. I am gonna flip my hair from side to side, but I am also going to let it rest in the middle sometimes because now that I have the face framing pieces, I just want to be able to part my hair in the center. Oh, I just missed a FaceTime call. Whoops. I'll call her back in a second. There we have it. I'm gonna let my hair air dry. I might diffuse a little bit if I need to. We'll see, because I do want to film a video for my fragrance channel a little bit later, but I'm gonna put some makeup on right now so that I'm ready for that right away. And then I'll update you guys on my hair. My hair is pretty much completely dry. It literally feels like it takes so long to dry, and it always has, but sometimes I just can't handle it and I get so sick of it. I'm gonna scrunch my oil in. I'm gonna use my Prose one. We'll use this one today because I really love this one. It doesn't feel product-y at all, which is really nice. It definitely feels soft and smooth, which is really good. I mean, it seems like those creams were both a really nice texture. So far, I have to give it a positive review. I don't know that it's going to be really strong hold or that my waves are going to last a super long time. We'll have to see. I think so far they look nice. I'm about to film a video for my fragrance channel, so I wanted to style my hair natural. Can definitely tell, you guys, like I said before, these layers help a lot. Every time, you guys, these loud vehicles, every time. Okay, I'm gonna go film my other video. So I just made myself one of those like chopped salad kits. I got it at Bueller's, which is a grocery store near us. Made myself some coffee. I didn't end up filming any more yesterday because I filmed my other video and then me and Joas were hanging out last night. So today I need to do my dishes. Honestly, it's embarrassing, the pile of dishes on my counter right now. I cleaned out my fridge last night. We did some grocery shopping and there's a lot of containers, and we also made food and it just piled up so fast. So I guess I'll bring you guys with me to do that. But first, I'm gonna eat my salad and I forgot my enzymes. And also, you guys, I have some thoughts on my hair that I'm gonna share with you guys later. We're gonna do a little refresh and then I'll let you guys know how I'm feeling about the products. So stay tuned for that. Okay, let's try out this salad. Pretty good. I can make a better salad, but it's not bad. Embarrassing. Okay, I'm gonna take my hair down and do a little bit of a refresh and kind of show you guys my thoughts on this. So, I know what I said right after I styled it or when it was dry, and I said that it doesn't feel producty, which is really weird because it totally didn't then. But a few hours later, even after not touching my hair started feeling so weighed down and greasy, and it's only gotten worse overnight. So I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but my hair is so like stringy and like weighed down. It feels kind of greasy. So I think it was just too much moisture for me, to be honest, like using a curl cream and the Dream Curls together, or maybe it was just one of these products and it was just too heavy for my hair. If so, I'm gonna guess it was the cream oil from John Frieda, because this did feel like a pretty kind of oily product, and maybe I just used too much. I'm gonna have to keep playing around with these because I just don't know what went wrong, but it's really not the best look for me. I'll let you guys know an update. I can't imagine that it would have been this curl cream because this felt really light and it didn't feel heavy like it would weigh my hair down. Maybe it was. Like I said, I'm gonna keep trying it, but I was just overall disappointed with this combo. It was like too heavy for my hair, and both of the products didn't feel super heavy. So like I said, I'm guessing it was the cream oil or then just the combination of both. Also, you guys, I should have mentioned that these products were sent to me, the John Frieda and the Ava NYC products. If I didn't mention that and you guys didn't see my haul video where I talked about it being PR, but anyways, just wanted to mention that. I'm gonna grab some dry shampoo. So, whoa, we're getting dark here. Apply this all over, to be honest. I'm just gonna do a little layer all over, but I feel like my hair is just, it feels greasy. What's wrong with this spray? It's like acting like it's broken. Okay, you know what? I'm not even gonna try this anymore. I'm gonna be so disappointed if this full-size bottle of product that's still like mostly full is just like not working anymore, or like the spray nozzle isn't working. That would be a real bummer. I think we're just gonna move on to my Batiste. I just have a little travel size here. I forgot, you guys, how much the Batiste leaves like a white cast. Okay, I do definitely feel that like that helped actually. My hair is more voluminous and it doesn't feel like so weighed down. So now I'm gonna try to use a little bit of this Curl Reviving Mist from Ava NYC. Hopefully this doesn't weigh it back down again, but we're just gonna use a little bit. That smells so good, you guys. Ooh, yes. This definitely feels like a lightweight, kind of almost watery product. It's not heavy feeling on my hair right now. It just feels like it dampened it a little bit. I think I'm really gonna like this. Let's not jinx ourselves though, because I said the same thing yesterday about the other products. I'm gonna see if I can open the bottle and look at this. Okay, yeah. This is like a watery product, kind of like my Kristen S leave-in conditioner, where it's not milky, it's actually like clear. So maybe we'll use a little more. I'm really happy about that because I was worried that if it was like a milky mist, it might just weigh my hair back down. So my hair actually feels a lot better, more voluminous, not as like greasy and weighed down, but obviously I couldn't get it perfectly back to normal. I do feel like it's a lot better though. Like I said 100 times, I'm really gonna have to keep trying these out, but I'm pretty impressed with this curl reviving mist so far because it's very lightweight. I felt like it did its job really quickly and it smells amazing. Just like a nice, light, fresh scent. I'm gonna see if it smells the same as this. I couldn't remember what this smelled like. It does smell similar, but this one smells a little bit more like fruity and the other one smells a little more floral.